Welcome to IMTS 2012 and the LMT Onsrud LMT Booth. I'd like to show you briefly what we're doing this year to promote our products, trying to teach everybody how we are six strong companies, but the whole product together, we can take care of all your applications. Then we come into the LMT Onsrud section of the booth. LMT Onsrud is a world-class manufacturer of router bits we started out in the wood industry. Previously to World War II, from the wood we migrated in once they figured out that our cutting tools worked really well in machining aluminum skins for aircraft, and from there it's really came in to where we started getting heavy into the plastics. We also, from the plastics, we went into the composite, which is running up the gambit. One of the tools I'd like to discuss with you today is our new line. It's our medical ball nose series, which is available in both English and metric. It comes in 2-flute and 4-flute. I'd like you to notice the surface finish on this tool. This is not a show gimmick or a show special. The key to this tool is whatever imperfections are on the tool are going to be coming in on your workpiece, and with having zero imperfections, you have zero imperfections on your end part. This was really designed for the medical industry, for making the plastic insert part on a knee. And the key behind it is you can't polish plastic. There's no super abrasives to polish plastic. So what comes off the machine is what the finished product is going to look like. This also, for the medical industry, is going to be a game changer. Another one of the things we're able to do at LMT Onsrud is we also manufacture our own PCD diamond tools in Waukegan, Illinois. We have different tools for different applications. This particular tool is made for machining of phenolics, a Tresper type material. It's a rougher / finisher versus one of our newest tools, which is our 3-flute tool. We call it the Surfin'. Well, this is for CFRP materials, and what's unique to that is we have 2 roughing flutes and 1 finishing flute for your use on 3 and 4 and 5 axis CNC routers or milling machines. Probably one of the best kept secrets in the LMT family is LMT Onsrud's ability to make drills. We make a lot of drills for the drilling of composite, whether it's a drive-matic drill, whether it is or a diamond film coated parabolic drill, which are standard products. We also make a one-shot style drill. We also make these in a spiral version. We also make double margin piloted step drills for critical hole control size on your CFRPs, all the way down to the drive-matic style tools. And again, these are all manufactured in Waukegan, Illinois. We also enjoy quite a bit of business in the porting market, where we actually make these out of PCD diamond and solid carbide, depending on what your need is. We generally really look at the material that's to be ported to determine whether we go solid carbide with an all-tin coating or a diamond film coating, or sometimes we might be doing an aluminum part where we can just put a zirconium nitride coating on there to enhance tool life. We also make specials, which are very for a specific part, for a specific industry. Where we can shine on this is our ability for extremely fast turnaround times, because we control all our own processes. We do all our own grinding in-house. We do all our own edge prep in-house. We do all our own coating in-house, which makes us able to to service our customers better. Gotta go back here. One of our newest products, again for composites, is we've came out with a line of tools that has no end geometry, or we have it in an end mill end, or we have it in a burr end, or we have it in a drill point end. What's unique about this tool, even though you might outwardly look at it and say, well, that's a burr, what's so special? Well, in fact, this is not a burr. This is a cutting tool that's made to machine CFRP. It's got a very open design. It really came a lot like our compression tool, where we have flutes going up and we have flutes going down to help deter delamination in the CFRP. We also, in order to control costs, to keep it down, because simply you don't need a diamond film coating every time. We manufacture this with our aluminum titanium coating, which improves tool life, helps handle the heat more, and when you're doing CFRP, you're gonna get some heat. Last but not least, I'd like to talk to you about the LMT Onsrud line of high-performance solid carbide end mills. We're introducing two new tools this year at the show. The first is a coolant-fed sinusoidal rougher, which we're able to take very high metal removal rates with this tool. What's unique about this is we have one central coolant port that comes down, and as you can see, the coolant then comes out on the back of the rake face, so the coolant is coming out directly at the cutting edge. One of the unique characteristics of this tool is you can either use flood coolant through here, water-soluble coolant, or if your machine is MQL capable, you can utilize both of these. There's also a very high surface finish on here, and that is not a show feature either. That's the way we make them every day. It is to reduce drag, to promote chip evacuation. Our second tool that we've made new for this year, we introduced at this show, is our TV7 flute series. What's unique about this tool is we manufacture this in 3 different cut lengths, in 3 different neck lengths, from square all the way up to 250 corner radius, standard in inventory in Waukegan, Illinois. But where really becomes a new tool for us is we've came up with a proprietary coating. We call it Endura Speed, which has given us the ability to increase tool life up to 30 to 35% without reducing speeds and feeds. So thanks for visiting, and thanks for coming in to visit us at IMTS 2012.